Okay, quick review. My Mastery is an online workbook. So in lieu of having a program called WebAssign last year, we're using a program called My Mastery. It was already built into your tuition. So when you walk through this login process, it's already been paid for. So you just need to use this access code. So your homework assignment, so I told Block 5 I wasn't going to add to their homework. Most of them got their videos done. And all I'm asking you to do is attempt the login by watching this video. If you want to work ahead through the work questions, they're fairly easy. So give them a try, but they're not due until next week. I think next Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay, so I'm on the student view of Canvas. So here's what you can see. We're done with Welcome with Physics, done with Equilibrium. Bonus content actually will move down. And we have Equilibrium in motion. And apparently the assignment I'm putting this in isn't published currently, but it will show up right here and it'll be called whatever I called it. All right. So you obviously found it because you clicked on it and you're watching this video. Okay, notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options over here. Home and modules get you to the same place. I want you to click on My Lab and Mastering. So what this allows you to do is it is a program that will give you a variety of different questions for you to answer. And it's kind of like it's a digital workbook. What's cool is every person's question will be slightly different. So you'll all get your own opportunity to answer the questions. So you're going to hit Open My Lab and Mastering. And please don't log me in. Oh, bummer. Okay. I already logged in as a student. Well, this is what it's going to look like. So notice Course Home, and then you have an upcoming assignment. It's called Physics Workbook Practice 1. Okay, and here's your due date. How this is going to work is it's going to ask, I wonder if I log out. Bear with me. Okay, let's see if this will work. Theoretically, once you do this, you're going to be logged in forever, and it's going to log me in again. Bummer. Shouldn't have done it. Okay. What it's going to go through for you guys, first of all, when you click on this link, it's going to have a pop-up that comes up here, and you have to accept the pop-up. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create an account. So there will be 2 options on the screen. One will say you log in. If you've used this ever before, then you can use that. But most of you have probably never used it before. You're going to choose the second option, which will be to the side, and that'll say create an account. They'll have you accept a user agreement. And once you accept the user agreement, you're going to fill out an account. Please use your school account. It'll work a little better. Then you'll be able to use it in the future years where you use the same program. Once you do that, the following, here are the 5 different choices, and I must have spelled it wrong online because when I attempted to do this, it worked. So the first one doesn't work, move on to the second. And what it's going to show you is a series of little boxes. Try to see if I have a sample to show you of what this is going to look like. Clearly not. Okay, so it'll be 6 little boxes, and you put this text in. Just type it right in, and so you're going to have an option to buy or an option to register. Please choose the register option and copy and paste, which notice these are in this log into my master and start working is here. All right, so as long as I see you logged in, I'll give you the 5 points, but I need you logged in before our next class. So there's no submission. I'll just mark it as done. So by the 9th, everybody needs to be in. So there's this assignment. I am going to add this video here in just a minute. I apologize that I couldn't show you a more accurate way of logging in, but again, click on this, open it, release the pop-up. Once you release the pop-up, then you're going to create an account. After you create an account, you're going to accept the license agreement. After you accept, you will sign in with a code, and then you will copy this code exactly as you see it. Pick one of them. Any of them should work and give you access to my class. Hope that helps. Good luck. Please contact me or email me or come visit me if it didn't work. All right. Have a good night. Bye.